Was founded on 1997. The major aims of this institute is to find cure or control for chronic disease for which there is no good curative or controlled medicine known. In this research institute, research on health science is conducted. In this institute, almost 10-12 people have gone to USA after finishing their PhD from this institute. They are all well positioned in the United States. Being a small private institute like us, is a matter of great pride for us that we have been able to give opportunity to the peoples for their PhD degree and help them established in their life.
I've gotten to know Dr. Sinha through Dr. Khan. I know her brother's son in the United States. And I became aware of the Institute about a year ago and of what Dr. Sinha is doing here. And I started looking at his treatment and became very impressed by his results. And so my purpose for coming over here is to observe the Institute firsthand and to gather all our experience together and then take it back with me back to the United States to attempt to introduce this process in the United States.
Presently, the Institute is involved in the research of cancer, diabetes, and heart diseases. Dr. Sinha and his associates have discovered 2 patches for the treatment of cancer and diabetes.
One of the most common questions people ask about cancer, how cancer happens? Does it come from outside or it is a contagious disease? It is not. Cancer does not come from outside. All the human beings in this world, all the animal, all the plant, all the bacteria, all have cancer. They are not coming out, that's all. What does it mean they are coming out? From where? Cancer is not just another disease. This is a disease of the gene. There is a gene in our DNA called oncogene. That means cancer causing gene. Whenever oncogene is activated, this could be activated by cigarette, pollution and various other way. That causes cancer. Not everybody is getting cancer. Why? Because there is another set of gene called suppressor gene. Its duty is to suppress oncogene. Suppressor gene does not work by itself. In turn, it produces many things in the body. One of them help to produce is called nitric oxide.
Nitric oxide work in medicine actually started around 1980s. We have started our work in nitric oxide in coronary artery diseases in the year 1994. That time we have actually checked the role of nitric oxide in platelet aggregation. Earlier work has been done by many workers. They have seen in the cellular level nitric oxide increase the cyclic GMP level. We have shown that in platelet, nitric oxide significantly increases the cyclic AMP level by inhibiting a particular enzyme, phosphodiesterase. Later on, earlier sir have shown in other work that insulin significantly protect our body from the coronary artery diseases. So now we want to correlate our things that is there any relationship between nitric oxide and insulin? We have found insulin increase nitric oxide level significantly, and we have published a paper that for the first time that nitric oxide